Hello, welcome to Global Insurance Guide. Before you buy any life insurance in Bangladesh, stop right there. What I'm about to reveal can completely change the way you understand insurers, Islamic rules, and government policies. Millions of Bangladeshis are confused, scared, and misinformed. Today, we're exposing the truth they were never told. Is life insurance halal or haram? Why are people terrified of scams and fake agents? What is the Bangladesh government really doing to fix this entire system? The answers may shock you and could protect your family's future. Stay with me because the next few minutes will uncover hidden fears and Islamic concerns. You will also learn how new government policies and Takaful options are changing the game. This is the investigation Bangladesh has been waiting for. And it starts right now. Bangladesh is a deeply Islamic country where most financial decisions are influenced by religious beliefs. Because of this, life insurance is viewed through both Islamic principles and national regulations. Many people fear that life insurance may involve interest or uncertainty, which Islam discourages. These religious concerns create hesitation even when families need financial protection. The Bangladesh government understands these public concerns. That's why it has developed strong regulations to make the insurance sector transparent and trustworthy. Government policies focus on protecting customers, reducing fraud, and ensuring fairness in insurance contracts. These rules help people feel more secure when buying a life policy. The Insurance Development and Regulatory Authority (IDRA) is the main organization overseeing life insurance in Bangladesh. IDRA ensures that companies follow ethical standards and consumer protection guidelines. IDRA has also introduced strict monitoring systems to prevent scams. They check company performance, financial strength, and claim settlement practices. One major initiative is improving claim settlement speed. Many people were afraid their families might not receive money on time, so the government made guidelines to speed up payments. The government also promotes transparency in policy terms. Companies must explain their plans clearly so customers understand exactly what they are buying. But even with these reforms, many Bangladeshis still hesitate because of Islamic concerns. They worry that conventional insurance may contradict Sharia principles. Islam warns against qara uncertainty, riba interest, and masiyah gambling. Since some conventional insurance models include these elements, people fear choosing them. To address this, the government supports Islamic insurance options known as Takaful operates on cooperation, shared risk, and mutual protection, making it more acceptable in Islamic teachings. Many insurance companies now offer Sharia-compliant policies under government regulations. These plans are supervised by Sharia advisory boards to ensure every step follows Islamic principles. This has given people a safer and more halal alternative. Families can now protect their future without fearing religious violation. The government also runs awareness campaigns to educate the public about insurance benefits. They focus on removing misconceptions and building trust among citizens. Religious scholars in Bangladesh are also joining these efforts. They explain that halal insurance is permissible and can protect families from financial suffering. This connection between Islamic scholars and government reforms builds confidence among the people. When both religion and regulation support a service, people trust it more. However, many ordinary Bangladeshis still face challenges. Lack of awareness, fear of scams, and confusion about Islamic rules keep many away from insurance. To reduce fraud, the government introduced the digital verification systems. These systems make it harder for fake agents to cheat people. Bangladesh is also improving customer complaint centers. People can now report fraud or issues directly to IDRA for quick action. The government encourages companies to invest in customer education. Simple brochures, community events, and digital campaigns help people understand halal insurance options. Islamic banks also support Takaful by offering it alongside their other Sharia financial services. This builds a strong bridge between religious values and modern financial protection. Young people in Bangladesh are showing increasing interest in Takaful. They want to stay halal while also securing their family's future. Urban areas are adopting Islamic insurance quickly, while rural areas are slowly catching up. The government and scholars are working together to raise awareness in villages. Takaful is growing because it aligns with the moral and spiritual beliefs of the Bangladeshi population. It assures families that they are following Islamic guidelines while staying financially protected. Government regulations, Islamic guidance, and public awareness are working hand in hand. This combination is helping Bangladesh build a more ethical, transparent, and religiously acceptable insurance industry. With time, more families will feel confident choosing Sharia-compliant insurance. The goal is to provide financial safety while respecting the faith of millions of Bangladeshis. In the end, Islam supports protecting your family and avoiding hardship. When an insurance system is halal, transparent, and regulated, it becomes a powerful tool for both faith and security. This video takes you deep inside Bangladesh, where millions silently struggle with fears and confusion about life insurance. This financial tool could protect families, yet it feels impossible for many to understand or trust. Life insurance in Bangladesh is not just a financial decision. It is a mental and emotional battle. People fight cultural beliefs, misinformation, and fear before they even think about protection. In Bangladesh, one of the biggest challenges is basic awareness. Most families grew up never learning what life insurance truly does. Many people believe it is complicated, expensive, or unnecessary. No one explains it simply, so they avoid the topic completely. Another deep-rooted fear is the belief that talking about death brings bad luck. Many elders discourage buying insurance because they think it invites misfortune. These cultural beliefs create emotional blocks. People struggle to see insurance as protection instead of a negative sign. One of the strongest fears in Bangladesh is the issue of trust. People hear countless stories about fraud and fake agents. Some agents have disappeared after taking money, leaving families helpless. These stories spread fast and destroy trust in even honest companies. This fear of losing money becomes stronger than the desire for protection. Many people avoid learning about real insurance benefits because of this fear. Complicated paperwork is another huge struggle. Insurance documents are filled with heavy English words and confusing legal terms. Ordinary people find it difficult to understand what they are signing. This creates fear of hidden charges and unclear conditions. Another challenge is unstable income. Many families earn daily or weekly wages and have no fixed savings. They worry that missing one premium will cancel the whole policy. This fear makes long-term commitments feel impossible. Negative claim experiences spread quickly in communities. If one family faces a rejection or delay, the whole village hears about it. People start believing that insurance companies never pay. These stories grow bigger and more frightening over time. Many people also feel uncomfortable with insurance agents. Some agents push policies aggressively without explaining them properly. Customers say agents disappear after selling the policy. This creates mistrust and fear of getting tricked. In rural areas, the issue becomes even worse. People do not have access to trained insurance professionals. They depend on rumors, neighbors, and hearsay for advice. This lack of accurate information leads to fear and hesitation. Another concern is the fear of hidden charges. Many believe insurance companies will deduct money secretly or reduce benefits later. This financial uncertainty makes them afraid of buying policies. They feel unsure about what they will actually receive. There is also a major fear of claim rejection. People worry that after years of paying, the company may refuse to pay for small technical reasons. This fear makes them question if insurance is worth the risk. Losing money scares them more than remaining unprotected. Daily survival also plays a major role. Families struggling with food, rent, and medicines cannot think about future protection. It's not that they don't want insurance, they simply feel they cannot afford it. Survival becomes more urgent than safety. A lack of financial education makes everything harder. Most Bangladeshis are never taught about savings or long-term planning. They rely on myths and rumors instead of real information. This makes insurance look risky and confusing. All these challenges create an emotional wall around life insurance. People want protection but feel trapped by fear, confusion, and mistrust. Yet behind all these fears is a powerful truth. Life insurance could save thousands of families from financial collapse after tragedy. If awareness increases and trust improves, the people of Bangladesh can build safer futures. Clear information and education can change lives and protect families. Solutions and government actions in Bangladesh. Bangladesh faces real challenges in life insurance, but many solutions are now being implemented to change the situation. The government and insurance authorities are taking serious steps to increase trust and awareness. The Insurance Development and Regulatory Authority (IDRA) is the main organization working to fix these problems. They create rules that protect customers and make companies more responsible. One of the biggest steps IDRA is taking is improving transparency. Companies are now required to clearly explain policy terms in simple language before selling any plan. Insurance companies must also provide documents in Bangla so people can understand easily. This helps remove fear and confusion caused by complex English terms. Another major solution is strict monitoring of fake agents. IDRA now verifies all insurance agents through registration and licensing systems. Only license-trained agents are allowed to sell policies. This reduces scams and protects the public from fraud. The government is also promoting digital payments to avoid agent misuse. Premiums can be paid through mobile banking, reducing the chances of money being stolen. This system helps customers track payments and stay updated. It also ensures companies receive money directly and securely. Awareness programs are another strong step. Many insurance companies now run public campaigns explaining how policies work. They use TV, radio, and social media to spread correct information. This helps people understand the real benefits of life insurance. IDRA is also pushing insurance companies to simplify their products. Complicated plans are being redesigned into easy-to-understand options. Clearer plans help people compare benefits. This builds trust and makes decision-making easier. To solve the issue of unstable income, companies are introducing flexible premium options. Some plans allow weekly or small regular payments. These flexible payments help low-income families stay protected. They remove the fear of losing a policy due to missed premiums. The claim process is also being improved. Companies must follow a strict timeline to process claims quickly and fairly. They are required to explain reasons clearly if a claim cannot be approved. This reduces misunderstandings and builds customer confidence. Customer hotlines and complaint centers are being strengthened. People can now report issues directly to IDRA for fast action. This ensures no one is left alone during a dispute. The system supports customers and keeps companies accountable. Rural awareness programs are also being launched. Trained field officers visit villages to educate families about insurance. They explain benefits using real-life examples. This reduces fear and misinformation in remote areas. IDRA is also promoting digital policy records. Customers can check policy status online without depending on agents. This reduces the risk of losing documents. It also increases trust in the system. Insurance companies are partnering with schools and colleges to teach financial basics. Young people learn the importance of planning early. This creates long-term awareness and reduces future confusion. It helps build a more financially educated generation. The government is encouraging companies to launch micro-insurance products. These plans are low-cost and suitable for low-income households. Microinsurance helps protect millions who couldn't afford regular policies. It opens the door for wider coverage across the country. Bangladesh is also working to reduce claim rejection rates. Companies must clearly explain required documents to customers at the time of policy purchase. This reduces misunderstandings and helps families prepare properly. It ensures claims are handled smoothly during difficult times. Overall, these steps are slowly changing the insurance environment. More people are beginning to trust life insurance. Bangladesh's insurance future is becoming safer and clearer. With stronger rules, awareness, and protection, families can finally feel secure. As you can see, the journey of life insurance in Bangladesh is not just about money, it's about faith, trust, fear, and survival. For decades, people faced religious doubts, confusing policies, fake agents, and painful bad experiences. But today, things are finally changing. Strong government regulations, IDRA strict monitoring, and digital systems are rebuilding public confidence. The rise of Halal Takaful has made protection clearer and fully Sharia compliant. Families now have safer options that align with both their beliefs and their financial needs. Bangladesh is moving toward a system where Islamic values and government rules work together. It's a future where protection is not haram, And trust finally replaces fear. When insurance becomes halal, transparent, and regulated, it turns into a blessing, not a risk. It becomes a powerful shield that families can rely on. Thank you for watching Global Insurance Guide. If this video opened your eyes or answered questions you fear always had, make sure to like and share. Subscribe for more powerful insurance investigations from around the world. Stay informed, stay protected, and stay empowered.